automotive inertia switch, also known as an inertial cutoff switch or fuel pump inertia switch, is a safety device used in vehicles to automatically shut off the fuel pump in the event of a collision or significant impact. While driving my low-mileage 2002 Jaguar Xtype, I was coming around a corner and my Jag suddenly died. Luckily, I was on my way to a friend's shop to check on another project car, so I coasted into the parking lot of his shop, and he was quickly able to diagnose my issue as a triggered inertia switch. Prior to losing power, I was hearing a new sound that I had never noticed before. There was a ticking sound similar to a quartz clock. In retrospect, it must have been the inertia switch about to trigger. My friend quickly opened the owner's manual to locate the fuse panel. There are two fuse panels in a 2002 Jaguar Xtype, one in the engine compartment and the other under the dash. Using a test light, it was determined there was no power to the fuel pump. Using experience and common sense, he took an educated guess and thought it could be the inertia switch. I turned to the page in the owner's manual and found the location. I simply reached in and pushed on the top button. This reset the inertia switch, and the Jag started instantly. When I asked my friend how it happened, his response was it's a Ford product. It may happen again or never happen again. I drove the 20 miles home without any trouble, and I haven't had an incident again. I'm not sure what caused the inertia switch to trip. I wasn't in an accident, and I don't recall hitting anything in the road like a pothole. At least I know how to reset the inertia switch, and I posted this video in case you were driving and suddenly lose power while driving. Here are the main purposes of an automotive inertia switch. 1. Prevent fuel leaks. In the event of an accident, the inertia switch helps prevent fuel from leaking, which reduces the risk of fire or explosion. 2. Safety of occupants. By cutting off the fuel supply, the switch minimizes the chance of fuel-related fires, thereby increasing the safety of the vehicle's occupants. 3. Damage mitigation. In some collisions, the fuel lines may get damaged. Shutting off the fuel pump helps prevent the engine from continuing to pump fuel, which could exacerbate the damage. 4. Ease of reset. If the switch is triggered accidentally or after a minor impact, it can usually be reset easily, allowing the driver to restart the vehicle without extensive repairs or intervention. 5. Compliance with safety regulations. Many automotive safety regulations require vehicles to have mechanisms that prevent fuel flow after a significant impact. The inertia switch is one way to meet these requirements. In summary, the primary purpose of an automotive inertia switch is to enhance safety by stopping the fuel pump during a collision, thereby reducing the risk of fuel-related fires and further damage. Resetting an automotive inertia switch typically involves a few straightforward steps. The exact procedure can vary slightly depending on the make and model of the vehicle, but here are general steps that usually apply. 1. Locate the inertia switch. The switch is often found in the trunk, near the fuel tank, or under the dashboard on the passenger side. Consult your vehicle's owner's manual for the exact location. 2. Check for tripped condition. Examine the switch to see if the button on top has popped up, indicating it has been triggered. 3. Reset the switch. Press the reset button firmly. You should hear or feel a click as the switch resets. 4. Turn the ignition. Turn the ignition key to the on position without starting the engine to prime the fuel pump and ensure it is working correctly. 5. Check for fuel pump operation. Listen for the sound of the fuel pump running when the ignition is in the on position. This indicates that the fuel pump is receiving power. 6. Start the engine. Attempt to start the engine. If it starts and runs normally, the reset was successful. 7. Inspect for any leaks or damage. After resetting the switch and starting the engine, check the vehicle for any fuel leaks or damage that may have caused the switch to trip. If the switch does not reset or the engine does not start after following these steps, there may be a more significant issue with the fuel system or the switch itself. In such cases, it is advisable to seek professional assistance from a mechanic or automotive technician. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment. Have a great day today and every day.
Have a great day today and every day.